One of our top picks in London, located over two restored 19th-century Victorian buildings, St George's Pimlico is just a 10-minute walk from Victoria Coach Station. Most guest rooms have original period features, including high ceilings and Georgian windows. An private bathroom is featured in each room, as well as a flat-screen satellite TV and tea, coffee-making facilities. A continental breakfast is served each morning in the cozy dining room, and the property offers a buffet of pastries, cereals, fruits and juices. Many bars and restaurants are found in the local area. Guests can also relax in the lounge, which features glass walls and comfortable seating. Central London can be reached in less than 10 minutes from Pimlico Tube Station, which is a 5-minute walk from the property. Westminster Cathedral and the Tate Britain are less than a kilometer away. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.